To learn this edit, come along with me in this tutorial, but before we go, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. First, you should take a picture of the background. Take a video like this that you are jumping. And another video is that you are dropping something in the mud. And these are all the things that you need for this edit. So let's go to the Capcut. I split the first part of the clip of my jumping and put the rest of the clip in the second layer with overlay section and add the picture of the background in the main layer. I adjust the size of the clip. I select a video of my jumping in the second layer and go to the cutout section, and from customize cutout and quick brush I select the subject.
Found yourself a way out of this small town. Got a place at school you didn't hang around.
Now, using keyframes, I move my jump video and move it to the inside of the glass. The size of the subject should be big at first, but as soon as she wants to jump down, it should be small so that it becomes the size of the glass. And I do it with keyframes.
I never thought I would see you here after all this time.
Then I will add the video that pulls out the contents of the glass. I pay attention to the cutting in such a way that when the subject falls into the glass, the water will come out of the glass.
I remember that I was drunk on my mind when we kissed for the first time in the back of your car.
And I put the mask to the edge of the glass of the water splash video. And we mask the video to the place of throwing water from the glass.
Try to replace you with somebody out there.
If I didn't chase you, would you even care?
And if I lost my mind, would you come around? I will keep you safe and sound after all this time.
As you can see, the subject is in front of the glass. That's why I add a copy of the background photo to the next layer so that the subject goes into the glass and doesn't come out. And by putting the mask right above the edge of the glass, the subject goes into the glass correctly.
Everything that brought me alive. No, we're all like monsters, playing with the monsters.
And this is the tutorial of how to go inside the mug. I hope you like it. If you like, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and don't forget to hit that notification bell and share it with your friends.